Put the flour in a large mixing bowl, as well as the baking powder, salt and pepper, and parsley. Mix very well. And then add the creamy room temperature butter. And combine everything together. You want to make sure that the butter and the flour are mixed very well together. And it should look crumbly by the time you're finished. Then add a little bit of water at a time. I ended up using half a cup exactly, but you may need more or less depending on the flour that you're using. And then just knead it until it forms a soft dough. And this is the consistency that you're looking for. It should be very easy to form into balls, and the dough should not be sticky. So then just form your dumplings, any size that you like. Of course, the larger that you make them, the longer it will take to cook. Mine were about the size of a tablespoon or so. And once you've made all your dumplings, refrigerate for about an hour just so that they can firm up a little bit before you put them for boiling. Next, on medium heat, add the oil as well as the onions. Mix well and fry for about 5 minutes. Add the carrots, celery, mix well and fry for about 3 more minutes. Add the chicken or vegetable broth. And bring that to a boil. Once it's boiling, you are ready to add your dumplings. And this is what they look like once they have firmed up. Mix very gently just to make sure that they're not sticking to the bottom. And shortly after you put the dumplings in, they will rise up. So then just boil those for about 15 minutes or until they're fully cooked. You want to make sure that the chicken or vegetable broth has soaked all the way through the dumplings. And these are dense dumplings, so they do take a little bit longer to cook. So this is what it looks like once they're finished. The broth will have reduced, the liquid will have thickened a little bit, and then you are ready to serve. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching.